Lisa Bloom is today's legal analyst. She'll look into this for us. Hey, Lisa, good morning.
Good morning.
A little queasy to talk about this, to be perfectly honest, because nobody knows what happened in that relationship other than those two and perhaps their kids. And also, Lisa, isn't it true that a lot of information that comes out in initial divorce filings is put there so that leverage can be gained, either to get a settlement or to gain some advantage in court?
Absolutely, and I practice family law in that jurisdiction. That's very common. However, in Ms. Jolie's defense, she's not asking for spousal support.
I'm not accusing her of anything.
Right, or child support. She's simply asking for sole physical custody of those children.
Well, let's talk about that, because is that unusual? I mean, would the typical disposition be you share physical custody, you share legal custody? Do you have to allege something over and above the normal to say, hey, I am entitled to sole physical custody of my children?
So this is what I tell all of my clients. This is how the case is going to turn out. You're going to get 50-50 legal and physical custody, meaning you're both going to share all of the important decisions about the kids, their education, their religion, etc. And you're going to get roughly 50-50 time with the kids, unless there is abuse or neglect, and that's not alleged here.
So why then go this route?
Well, the statement, the very short, cryptic statement we have from Ms. Jolie is that she feels this is in the best interest of the children.
Do we know about prenup?
We don't know about prenup. I don't know that there is a prenup. It would shock me that a couple with this level of earnings does not have a prenup, but, you know, a lot of people go into marriage without one.
The other thing people are wondering, they've been married just 2 years, legally married. They were together for about a decade. When you start looking into the division of assets and you're trying to do a divorce proceeding, do you look at that whole period of time, the 10 years, or just the time of the legal marriage?
So when it comes to the kids, the legal marriage is irrelevant. They are both the parents of those kids. They both have all of the rights to visitation and custody. But when it comes to property, marriage is very significant. And all of the property gained during the marriage will be split roughly 50-50, unless there is that prenup.
Yeah, and I think you're concentrating on the right. We keep talking about the kids, the kids, the kids. There are 6 children here. And I think for their sake, we have to be very careful about what we say.
And they both say they want what's best for those kids.
Indeed. Lisa, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.